Jamaicans have a saying, taking teeth, Kibba heart bun. And it seems as if that saying was made personally for me, especially when it comes to my job. I tell you, taking teeth, Kibba heart bun means sometimes some things happen in your life and you cannot get to really express how you're feeling in the moment. You can't really react to certain things at the time. All you have to do is take tea, keep a heart bun, or just smile. To put it nicely, you just have to smile. And I tell you, nothing let me keep my heart bun like my job. These people that I talk to on a daily basis, them is something else, I tell you. This man called me the other day. I said, "Thank you for calling so-and-so. How may I help you today?" I need to talk to somebody that speak clear English. "Excuse me, sir. I never realized that me talking in join up. I never talk no to me English blurry. What do you mean you need to talk to somebody that speak clear English?" I said, "Sir, my English is clear. How may I help you today?" I tell you, these people are something. And if I follow them, as Jamaican would I say, I lose my soul salvation because them is something else. This other lady, she ever called me and let me know. I said, "Thank you for calling so-and-so. How may I help you today?" You tell me. How can you help me? I said, "Excuse me, ma'am. You call me. How may I help you? I didn't tell you that you called the psychic hotline. You called me. You must have called for a reason. What can I do for you today?" I don't understand you. I tell you, sometimes I really wish I could tell these people what really on my mind. But because these calls are recorded and for quality and training purposes, as we say, I really don't want to tell them what is on my mind because I don't want to get fired because these people make me a keep my heartburn more than ever. This other man is going to call me and I say, "Thank you for calling so-and-so. How may I help you today?" "Stop calling me, ma'am. Stop calling me. I don't want you to call me anymore." "Excuse me, sir. You called me. I didn't call you." "Well, you people keep calling me." "Who are you referring to as you people? I never called you. And you're talking to me in this moment. How may I help you? Is there a reason you wasted your time to dial my number, to wait on hold, and come on my line to waste my time? How may I help you today?" I tell you, these people, if I follow them, I say things that I am not supposed to say. And as I said before, it's like this saying was made for me. Every single day, I have to be Kibba in my heartburn because these people drive me crazy. What is wrong with people who believe that the customer is always right? Not in this day and age. Back in the days, they used to say the customer is always right. Not always. More than most of the time that these customers that I talk to, them very wrong. And I wish I could tell them that. But because as me say, me I try keep my job, me have to bite my tongue and me have to keep my heart bun because these people driving me mad. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and go right ahead and tell me about your favorite Jamaican proverbs below. I love to learn new ones and sometimes I just love to be reminded of the familiar ones. See you soon. Walk good.